And what's going on, guys? All right, so we're going to do some live trades today. My goal is to make $1,000. Hopefully, Applejacks can manage to edit because it might take time for me to make the $1,000. Let's get right to it. We have a trade designed to the upside, and we do have our entry here, right? At 488.725. Now, what I'm paying attention to is the flickering going on here. It's been a whole lot of consolidation. I do think we could hit this here is basically pre-market highs, right? 48.91. So we got one contract in the trade designed to the upside. You will see one contract here. I'm going to buy. If we get a break into the trade design to the upside, I have a buy waiting for it. Now, interesting enough, we are in a indecisive zone here. Looking at the 30-minute, we have a 1348 cloud to the upside, but we do have a band that's disagreeing with us here, right? Why am I setting my buy order here as opposed to chasing the candle? Because if we don't get hit, and if my thesis is not confirmed, then I have absolutely no risk. This is far better than chasing a candle. Now, I have to go ahead and check out NQ. Let's see what NQ got going for us here. So NQ gave you a trade design pre-market, got you in at 17,497, came all the way down and took you all the way to 1418. One NQ contract made you $1,290. But let's see what's happening on ES. All right, guys, I have my rules and I have my way of playing. If this intends to come on down, I would capture this on a break of the 200 down. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to put a sell order here, one contract right underneath the 200. There you go. I got filled there. What the hell just happened? Did I get glitched or something? I was right underneath the 200 there and it filled me, brought it all the way down. Okay, that's not right. I don't like the way that happened. Already some morning drama as I'm entering my trade. Maybe I had my mouse on a position. What the hell just happened there? Oh boy, market's trying to come get me. I'm going to now bring my stop in case we get an aggressive wick to the upside. I am playing this tight. I don't like my entry. Whatever the hell happened right there. I should have entered somewhere here, which would have had me up maybe about 75 to 100 bucks. That really fucking sucks. Down like 30 bucks. Now what I have to do is I'm going to go to NQ. NQ, the reason why I like to play NQ, guys, is you can make money really fast, right? And if you got in a very aggressive candle down, you can play the aggressive candle up. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm playing NQ up from the bottom here. And of course, it's saying, Gabe, yeah, you're going to get wrecked here. No, I don't believe so. Let's see if we get somewhat of a correction. Looking at the 1 minute, you could see on the 1 minute, I really did miss that bounce. I am absolutely okay with it until we get our 30 minute. Okay, so our 30 minutes looks like it's flickering a trade design to the bottom. The one, if we get the RSI breaking above its moving average and then ideally above 50, I should be A-okay. Now I'm going to go back to ES and see what I could potentially do here. I think I would put a buy order right above the 200. Previously, that was one contract. I'm going to get a little bit aggressive to the upside here. I am going to set 3 buys, and hopefully I don't get fucked over like I did on this previous candle. Gotta love the early morning drama. I waited all morning for the setup and got absolutely screwed on my fill. This just absolutely sucks. Alright, so you've seen this live. Here we go. 30 minute looking really aggressive. Okay, so I got my fill. It filled me correctly. Let's see if I can make up for that previous loss here. Maybe trade this right up to the EMAs. I don't really care much about news and data. I just trade my system. Here we go. We're coming on up, right up to the EMAs here. Now, I know I said I would exit right at the EMA. Let me see what NQ's doing to me, guys. Maybe serve as a distraction to ES. All right, NQ already has me up 2,300 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and just secure that bag. That's more than I deserve all morning. We're gonna go ahead and check out ES here. It allows me to go ahead and just like stomach this move. I'm gonna go ahead and set my stop here just leave it as is, right? So either ES is just going to run on me and make me some money, or it's not. Made $2,000 on NQ. Great. Almost makes ES not even worth trading, right? But I want to highlight this system for you guys, right? And why we're trading. We got the EMAs. You guys, you heard me say, like, I should have taken profit here at the EMAs because the EMAs act like, levels of resistance, especially this 48, right? But I'm also paying attention to RSI against this moving average, and it is trending up. And I would like to see RSI break 50 on the 30-minute, trying to build some momentum. It's just be patient, right? If we get a break above these EMAs, I'm going to go ahead and buy. As you guys can see, we called it out on the EMAs there. That's why I set my stop right there. Just rejected from the EMAs. NQ is just a wild beast here. What I was suspecting was an overly aggressive candle. Came down to this range, previously bounced, and of course I had the 1 minute just giving me a little bit of a clue. Of course you can see NQ getting smacked by the 13 EMA. More importantly, guys, the general trend is down. You don't want to trade against a trend. Now I could very well just go ahead and take NQ down here, and this would be me in fact trading with the trend. 150, 300, coming on down, 450, 400. I'm just up. I got nothing to prove to you guys at this point. You guys saw that rejection off to 13. Go NQ, go. Let's see, 450, coming on down. We got a trade designed to the downside, flickering on to 30. There you go, 675. Doing this for the tube. Everyone's like, who are the real traders out there? And you got traders that give you their trade breakdown after the trade, not live during the trade. And of course, I'm being guided here by the 30-minute. We have a 30-minute signal down. Looking at the 1 minute, very aggressive 1 minute, also breaking Excel to the downside. I said I was going to make a minimum of $1,000, and we're above that. Let's go ahead and make this free. There you go. Another 1,000. I have to take that. Who's being greedy? 875. I'm just going to take that. End of video. You guys saw me trade several thousand live just using my system. Having awareness, understanding what my system looks like on the 1 minute, understanding what my system looks like on the 30. I'm living and dying on the 5. Hope you learned something. 1348 is the truth. Check out the link down in the description. Get 2 weeks free. Leave a comment down below. Hope to see you on the other side. Signing out. Peace.